Protect your AirPods with this case. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the AirPods Duo Case by Elago. They carry a wide range of accessories to protect your AirPods and phones. This case comes in many different colors. And if you want to protect your expensive AirPods, this is an option. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. These are the variety of color combinations that the Duo line comes in. There are several styles and designs available on their site, so it's not just limited to the Duo. If you tend to keep the case in your pockets while you are out and about, you will probably start to notice some minor scratches. This can be caused by the keys in your pockets or any other objects that rub against it. So if you want to preserve the look, some sort of case would be the solution. These cases are made from a high-grade silicone and are non-toxic. It can help prevent scratches and external impacts. The Duo comes with two covers for the top. This version comes with the gray and peach top, and the body is indigo. The material is very flexible and easy to work with. The body has the indentation for the button on the back, along with the cutout so the cover can open. The front has the Elago branding, and the bottom has the cutout for the lightning port. Installation is very easy. The case just slides right in and it doesn't take that much effort. And installing the top is just a matter of pushing down. The lid opens with no issues and the cutouts are perfect. The Elago Duo Case. Very sleek cases with a variety of color options. This definitely adds a layer of protection and is priced well. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.